Hello, good evening. Over the next few days, it will be remaining cloudy and fairly mild for the time of year. The exception being tonight down across the southeast is going to be quite clear and there'll be a widespread ground frost. So later on in the week, we'll gradually see the weather breaking down. We'll see some outbreaks of rain developing as well, all because of the high pressure that's been with us over the last few days. We'll be moving off into the rest of Europe. Behind it, we'll gradually see a southerly airflow developing, and that will feed in some clearer air from the south. It does mean sunnier skies across many parts of England and Wales. The standout day this week is going to be Wednesday, although it will be a little bit colder. As for this evening, we're going to keep the good deal of cloud that we've had with us for much of today. The clearer skies will develop down across the southeast, and that will lead to a widespread ground frost, as I was saying before, and also some mist patches, perhaps even some fog in places. Away from here, though, it's going to be a fairly mild night, actually, quite impressive across Scotland. Lows of around 8 or 9 degrees Celsius, but quite windy out towards the west coast for sure. And in fact, the wind will be a feature through much of the day tomorrow out towards the coastline there. Temperatures rising quite nicely through the morning. Down across the southeast, so a fairly cold start today with that clearer start, but some really decent sunshine. But even here during the afternoon, we'll gradually see the cloud cover increasing a bit, staying quite bright in many places. The best of the brightness always out towards the North Sea coast there. Up towards the northwest, it's going to be staying cloudier. The cloud thick enough in places for some outbreaks of patchy rain and drizzle. Temperatures remaining above average for the time of year. A similar picture on Wednesday, although a degree or so down. But with that high pressure moving off into the rest of Europe and that southerly airflow developing, is going to be bright all around, particularly down across the south, with some really decent spells of sunshine. Have a good evening.